Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imran and you're watching my YouTube channel Ride with Imran 1. So today's video I'm going to be putting a dashboard protection on my Honda CB650R, and I bought this motorbike nearly 3 months ago. It's just I had a recent trip to two trips to Highland, and I came back and I've noticed that I have managed somehow, I don't know how, managed to scratch my motorbike. I don't know if you can see it or not, up here and up in this corner here. So I have ordered these Speedo Angels screen protector from their website, and it cost me about £13, and they arrived today. So I thought I will put them on. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and enjoy the video. To make sure that you do not have any dust on your screen, so you do not scratch your screen more. So I've recently washed my motorbike, and this is how I know that I have managed to scratch my screen. So I've used this microfiber cloth to clean it, but I've seen it now is cleaned and I cannot see there is any dust on it. So let's open this. So this arrived in the post today, and it looked like this. So let's open this up and see what's inside the box. So inside this there is the instruction, and you got your screen protectors inside, and I think this is the installation kit. Inside there is a squeegee, I think, to take the bubble off, and there is the dust absorber, wet wipes, and there is a small cloth. First of all, we're gonna open these wet wipes. So we're gonna use this wet wipes to clean the screen. Once the screen is clean, I'm gonna use this cloth which came with it to absorb the water. Now I can see my dashboard is looking quite clean. What also I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna use this. So after removing the dust, they recommend that you put on some sort of soapy water on the screen. And also this is the front side. So first I will remove the sticker and I will put some soapy water on it as well. So you have to be very careful when you're doing it. And I'm gonna put some water here as well. So make sure you align this when you're putting it on to your screen, and then use the squeegee to remove the excess water. Once you have put it on your screen, you use your squeegee to take off the remaining water. Just be very careful, take your time. Once the bubbles are out, you gently remove the excess water by using a microfiber. So now I've done the first part, and to do the second part I will be very carefully remove this second skin very carefully. After removing the skin, I can see there are still some bubbles, so I will use the squeegee to take these bubbles out. Most of the bubbles are the water, the one we used earlier on to put this on, to be very honest. But definitely is better than scratching your screen like I did with mine. So if you got a new motorbike, I would say you put this on straight away. Do not leave it till the last minute. So once you put this on, I will not use it for a few hours. Motorbike, I will just leave it for a few hours and use it next day, I would say, because that will give it this time to settle in. It looked perfect to me. I'm happy with that. So I will clean the screen and I will show you the final look. I'm going to use this cloth, the one which came with in the box, to wipe off the screen. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you are all having a good day. Bye bye.